Good morning. Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed about the multiplication of decimal numbers, in which we have studied what multiplication of a decimal number with a whole number, isn't it? Yes. And also multiplication of a decimal with the 10, 100 and 0. Now, we are going to discuss about multiplication of decimal number with another decimal number. So, these are the following steps to follow multiplication in decimals. First one is remove the decimal points of both the multiplicand and the multiply. If the zeros at the beginning of each, it also we have to remove. Okay, second one, multiply the two numbers. First remove the decimal points and then multiply the given numbers and find the sum of number of decimal places in multiplicand. Okay, the third step is find the sum of places. Find the sum of number of decimal places and then put the decimal point from the right after we are getting the answer. So, let's do one example. Okay, look at here. Multiply 1.9 by 0.7. So here we have the decimal numbers 1.9 and 0.7. So we need to multiply 19 with 7. So there is no need to take the decimal points. So remove the decimal points and then multiply the given numbers. So in which we get 9 sevens are 63, 7 ones are 7 plus 6. What is it? Yes, 13. 133. So 133 is the answer. So now we need to place the decimal point by counting the total number of decimal points from the multiplicand. From the multiplicand and the multiplier. So here we have one decimal point is here and also here one. That means total number of decimal point is 2. Total number of decimal point is 2. So we need to place a point from the right. 1, 2. So the answer is 1.33. 1.33. So this is the multiplication of a decimal by another decimal. Let's do another example. Okay, my dear students, look at here. 1.23 into 0.7. These are the two numbers. So first step, remove the decimal places. Remove the decimal points. So the numbers become 123 and multiplied by 7. Okay, now just multiply the given numbers without decimals by removing the decimal places. So we have the answers. 7 3 have the answer. 7 3s are 21. Now the carry is 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. Now the carry is again we have 1. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus that carry become 8. So the answer is 861. 861. So this is the answer. Now we need to place the decimals. We need to place the decimal point, isn't it? So total number of decimal places here 1 and also here we have 2 decimal. That means total number of decimal places 3. Total number of decimal places 3. So we need to put the decimal point from the right. How many decimal places are there? 3. So 1, 2, 3. So we need to put the decimal point here. In this we need to put a 0 also. That means 0.861. 0.861. Okay. So this is the multiplication. And let's do one more example. Okay, look at here. Here we have the number 4.7 and 2.5. First step, remove the decimal. Remove the decimal. So the numbers become 47 and 25. Now multiply the numbers. So you know how to multiply the given numbers. First multiply by 5 by using first ones place. So by multiplying 5, 5 sevens are 35. Carry is 3. Carry is 3, isn't it? Carry is 3. And again 5 4s are 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So the multiplication by 5 is over. Multiplication by 5 is over. Now we need to multiply the first number by the next digit, that is 2. 2 sevens, 2 sevens, 2 sevens are 14. That is in the 10th place. That is in the 10th place. That is in the 10th place. That means 2 sevens are 14. And again we have the remainder 1. Again we have the remainder 1. Now 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now we need to add. So multiplication is, you know how to multiply the given numbers, isn't it? So add 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay. So here we have 1175. 1175 is the answer. Now we need to put the decimal place from the right. So before that, count the total number of decimal. 1, 2. That is 2. Total number of decimal places are 2. Now we need to put the decimal point from the right. That is 2. 1, 2. So the answer is 11.75. 11.75. Okay. So this is the multiplication of decimal number by another decimal. So multiplication is of 3 types. First one is decimal with a whole number, and decimal with a 10 and 100 and 1000, and finally decimal with a decimal. So in these three types we can use only one method. We can use this last method by remove the decimal places and multiply the given number, and then count the total number of decimal places and place the decimal point from the right. If there is 4 decimal point, place the decimal point from the right. 4 places we need to remove. We need to change. Okay. So this is the multiplication. Hope you understood. Yes. So in this decimal chapter, we have studied about what is decimal, and how to expand, and how to convert fraction into decimal and decimal into fraction, and addition of decimals, subtraction of decimals, and multiplication of decimals. Okay, so these are the topics. Okay, so in the semester exam, we will have the portions up to this. Okay, multiply by from the chapter from lines and angles to this, up to this. Okay, this is the portions for your exam. Hope you are getting it and prepare well for the exam. Okay, thank you.